हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे आप सब। मैं हूं एकलव्य। बात करें जनरल अवेयरनेस प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट 26 ओपीएससी असिस्टेंट सेक्शन ऑफिसर 2026 के लिए है। यहाँ 20 क्वेश्चन देखने को मिलेगा। आज पर प्रीवियस पैटर्न, डिफिकल्टी लेवल मॉडरेट है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। In February 2026, which institution in Odisha was recognized as the nodal center for the newly launched Sura Vikas project aimed at digitizing ancient palm leaf manuscripts? Option A, Utkal University. Option B, Odisha State Museum. Option C, Sambalpur University. Option D, Ravenshaw University. Option B is the correct answer, Odisha State Museum. चलिए नेक्स्ट। The 131st Constitutional Amendment Bill, which was discussed in the Parliament in early 2026, primarily deals with which of the following? Option A, granting statehood to Ladakh. Option B, provision related to the delimitation of constituencies. Option C, insertion of environment as a fundamental duty. Option D, digital privacy as a fundamental right. Option B is the correct answer, provisions related to the delimitation of constituencies. Option B. Next. Which Odisha born freedom fighters 125th birth anniversary was commemorated in November 2025 with the release of a special postal cover in Cuttack? Option A, Biju Patnaik. Option B, Hare Krishna Mata. Option C, Malati Chaudhary. Option D, Navakrishna Chaudhary. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, हरे कृष्णा महताब। चलिए इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन थोड़ा देख लेते हैं, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। डॉक्टर हरे कृष्णा महताब, द फर्स्ट चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ ओडिशा एंड ए प्रोमिनेंट लीडर ऑफ द प्रजा मंडल मूवमेंट। याद रखें, प्रजा मंडल मूवमेंट का एक प्रोमिनेंट लीडर थे। वॉज ऑनर्ड इन नवंबर 2025। ही वॉज फेमसली नॉन एज उत्कल केसरी। ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट। As per the Economic Survey 2025-26, India's average headline inflation for the period of April to December 2025 stood at what percentage? Option A 4.2%, option B 3.5%, option C 1.7%, option D 5.1%. Option C is the correct answer, 1.7%. चलिए नेक्स्ट। In January 2026, the Ministry of Defense approved a major project under the IDEX scheme for the development of swarm drone systems, specifically for which terrain? Option A, high altitude Himalayan regions. Option B, coastal Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Option C, third desert. Option D, run of course. ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड हिमालयन रीजन्स। ठीक है, चलिए नेक्स्ट। The Chilika Lake Conservation Strategy 2026 focuses on the protection of which migratory bird species that saw a record high arrival in the 2025 winter season. Option A, greater flamingo. Option B, bar-headed goose. Option C, northern pintail. Option D, peregrine falcon. Option B is the correct answer, bar-headed goose. ऑप्शन बी। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which article of the Indian Constitution was in the news in early 2026 regarding the removal of ministers upon detention bill? Option A, Article 72. Option B, Article 164. Option C, Article 356. Option D, Article 124. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, आर्टिकल 164। चलिए इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन थोड़ा देख लेते हैं। लेजिस्लेटिव डिबेट्स इन द लेट 2025-26 focused on amending Article 164 to clarify whether a minister can continue in office while under judicial custody following several high-profile legal cases in various states. आर्टिकल 164 क्या कहता है ना, टू क्लैरिफाई वेदर अ मिनिस्टर कैन कंटिन्यू इन ऑफिस व्हाइल अंडर जुडिशियल कस्टडी फॉलोइंग सेवरल प्रोफाइल लीगल केसेस इन वेरियस स्टेट्स। चलिए नेक्स्ट। The Viksit Bharat Ji Ramji Bill passed in late 2025 is primarily associated with which sector? Option A, green energy in rural areas. Option B, employment guarantee in rural areas. Option C, digital literacy for farmers. Option D, health infrastructure in villages. Option B is the correct answer, employment guarantee in rural areas. जी राम जी, इसका फुल फॉर्म क्या है? गारंटी फॉर रोजगार एंड आजीविका मिशन ग्रामीण। जी राम जी। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which of the following waterfalls, often called the Niagara of Odisha, was the site of the for the National Hydropower Summit held in March 2026? Option A, Duduma. Option B, Baraipani. Option C, Khandadhar. Option D, Badaghagra. यहाँ ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, डुडुमा वाटरफॉल्स, often called as Niagara of Odisha. Next. India's first green propulsion system developed by DRDO was successfully tested in orbit during which mission? Option A, Chandrayaan 4. Option B, Aditya L1. Option C, PSLV C-58. Option D, Gaganyaan Pratham. Option C is the correct answer, PSLV C-58. चलिए नेक्स्ट। The Diogod Solapak, which became fully operational in January 2026, is a major contributor to Odisha's goal of achieving how many gigawatts of renewable energy by 2030? Option A, 5 gigawatt. Option B, 10 gigawatt. Option C, 15 gigawatt. Option D, 20 gigawatt. Option B is the correct answer, 10 gigawatt. चलिए नेक्स्ट। In the context of the Indian economy, what does the term GST 2.0, which gained prominence in early 2026, refer to? Option A, doubling the GST rates for luxury goods. Option B, abolishing GST on all food items. Option C, comprehensive restructuring including electricity, petroleum and real estate. Option D, a new tax specifically for digital transactions. Option C is the correct answer. Comprehensive restructuring including electricity, petroleum and real estate. चलिए नेक्स्ट. Which historic rebellion of Odisha is often cited by historians as the first war of independence and was a major topic in the 2025 National History Congress? Option A, Paika Rebellion 1817. Option B, Santhal Rebellion 1855. Option C, Munda Uprising 1899. Option D, Sambalpur Uprising 1827. यहाँ ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. पाइका रिबेलियन 1817 लेड बाय बक्सी जगबंधु. याद रखें, बक्सी जगबंधु लेड किए थे, नेतृत्व लिए थे. चलिए नेक्स्ट. In April 2026, India signed a landmark Defense Technology and Trade Initiative (DTTI) with which country for the co-production of jet engines? Option A, Russia. Option B, France. Option C, USA. Option D, Israel. Option C is the correct answer. USA. चलिए नेक्स्ट. The Poverty Mapping Report 2026 released by Niti Aayog highlighted that which district of Odisha showed the highest rate of poverty reduction between 2021 से लेकर 2025. ऑप्शन ए कोरापुट. ऑप्शन बी कलाहांडी. ऑप्शन सी नवरंगपुर. ऑप्शन डी कंधमाल. ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर. कलाहांडी. चलिए नेक्स्ट. Which mountain range acts as a natural barrier between the coastal plains of Odisha and the Garjat Hills? Option A, Eastern Ghats. Option B, Western Ghats. Option C, Satpura Range. Option D, Vindhya Range. Option A is the correct answer. Eastern Ghats acts as a natural barrier between the coastal plains of Odisha and Garjat Hills. चलिए नेक्स्ट। The Mangrove Initiative for Shoreline Habitats and Tangible Incomes MISTI scheme saw a 2026 expansion in which specific Odisha site? Option A Bhitarkanika, option B Devi River mouth, option C Dhamra port area, option D Subarnarekha delta. Option B is the correct answer, Devi River mouth. चलिए नेक्स्ट। Who was the president of the Indian National Congress during the famous 1924 Belgaum session and how is it unique in history? Option A Subhash Chandra Bose, first time a youth leader was elected. Option B Mahatma Gandhi, the only session he presided over. Option C Sarojini Naidu, first Indian woman president. Option D Jawaharlal Nehru, the first time the Punna Swaraj resolution was passed. Option D is the correct answer, Jawaharlal Nehru. सॉरी, यहाँ ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर, महात्मा गांधी, द बेलगाम सेशन 1924। ठीक है, ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। ऑप्शन बी महात्मा गांधी, द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ INC ड्यूरिंग द फेमस 1924 बेलगाम सेशन। नेक्स्ट। In the 2026 budget, the Blue Economy 2.0 policy was launched. Which Odisha port is designated as the hub for deep sea mining research? Option A Paradip Port, option B Gopalpur Port, option C Dhamra Port, option D Subarnarekha Port. यहाँ ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर, पारादीप पोर्ट। चलिए नेक्स्ट। Which schedule of the Indian Constitution was amended in late 2025 to include Kui language for official protection? Option A 7th schedule, option B 8th schedule, option C 9th schedule, option D 10th schedule. यहाँ ऑप्शन बी द करेक्ट आंसर, 8th schedule। चलिए नेक्स्ट। थैंक यू, आज के लिए इतना ही। अगर अच्छा लगा तो लाइक करें। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। धन्यवाद।